This is a new 2014 Ford Focus. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include digital audio input and auxiliary input, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, keyless entry, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power steering, and AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Independence Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3101 Columbia Boulevard, Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania 17815.